The Mantis Pro SE is a solid, fast, and convenient scooter. When investing in such a top-of-the-line scooter, it's important to know your way around it. Today at Voro Motors, we will be covering the top 5 most frequently asked questions and tips for the Mantis Pro SE. Number 5. Charge up your scooter before putting miles on it. Now that you have a personal electric vehicle, it's important to start developing good charging etiquette. Number 4. The Silicone Mat. Unlike the grip tape on the eMove Cruiser and eMove Touring, has flaps along the perimeter that aren't adhered to the deck. These flaps are a design choice that provide easier access to the internals of the scooter. If you plan on leaving the insides alone, or just want the mat to be attached completely, we recommend using double-sided tape to hold the mat to the board. Number 3. Set your desired P settings for how you like to ride. We find that most people like riding with ABS turned off, especially with newer brake pads. As brake pads age, however, they lose resistance, so ABS may be more useful on older vehicles. To turn ABS on or off, just go to PD on the P settings menu and set it to 1 for on or 0 for off. Another P setting change that we recommend is for P5 to be set to 0. This is so that there is no kickstart needed for when starting your ride. Number 2. Tire wobble is something that you may notice during freewheel spins. This is normal, so don't be alarmed by this. The scooter is very much rock solid. We find that the most common cause of this is actually low tire pressure. The best way to remedy this is by pumping up the tires to 45 psi. As a backup measure, we make sure all screws and nuts are firm along the forks. There is plenty of Loctite on each of these screws and nuts, so you don't need to worry about them going anywhere while riding. Another note about the tires is that since they have inner tubes, you can put slime inside of them to further protect against punctures. Number 1. How to get rid of stem wobble. If you ever experience stem wobble, the first thing you should do is check the quick release locks at the bottom of the stem. It's easy to overlook these, but oftentimes, loose quick releases are your culprit. When tightening them, I like to use the method of tightening one and then making the next one even tighter. Doing this sequentially around 5 or 6 times should make it fine. By doing this, you should end up with a very firm quick release section. If afterwards you still experience some wobble, go into the hinge bolt and slightly unscrew this front screw, and then fold it back upright and tighten the quick release lock. If for some reason you experience stem wobble again, just follow these steps and it should go away. All Mantis Pro SE are quality checked, so you can rest assured that yours is of the highest quality when coming out of the box. Thanks for watching this countdown, and as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks!